Hi, this is a quick video on LastPass and how to use it. So here you can see that I'm at lastpass.com and you can get LastPass free. So you go through the processes of getting LastPass, the browser extension, which you can see here, in my case on the Chrome browser. And then once it's installed, if you just click on it, you can see I've provided the login details, so it's maximumdigitalaus@gmail.com, maximum5050 ! It's in the email to log in. Once you've logged in, you then have a vault. So when you open that vault, you can see all the passwords in here that I've used on different websites. And the beauty of LastPass, so let's say Os Domains, where the Wayne Fraser email is. If I just open a new tab and type in Os Domains and go to log in, you can see that it's already filled out. So once you've logged into the LastPass, it will already populate the details so that you can sign in. And that's the same for a lot of different places. So going to the vault will give you clues as to the places that that Maxim uses for various things. That's essentially it. Okay, cheers.